check out this 37. More importantly, check out this 62. It's actually an original condition Chevy truck with an original period correct camper shell on it over here at Dano DWS. And this has just been detailed by Jacob. Did an awesome job on it. And Ken is taking it off for a ride. See how it runs. How cool is that? 37 with a split window, kind of like a split dog, along with a 62 Chevy C10 pick-em-up truck. It's out of a museum. Ken's got it down here doing some stuff with it. So how cool is that? It's just some cool stuff always going on here. Huntington Beach, Southern California. I'm Dano Vision, DanoLive's.tv. This might appear to look like junk for most, but it's a whole lot of goodies, a whole lot of toys. As you see, we go check in here. We got some custom-made frames here for some C10s. We got Gino over there slaving making an instrument cluster next to that frame. Then we got, look at the size of this, just to get horsepower out of it. Look at the size of that Hemi with the dual Hollies on it. Oh man. This is a Hemi of old, not today's Hemi. Look how big and huge that was. Then in this C10 truck, look at that, brand new Chevrolet motor in there, all the new plumbing and accessories gone on it. These fellows over here are doing one hell of a job when it comes to all this classic stuff. You see it's another C10 truck, the step side short bed, and it is a custom. How cool. It's got a NASCAR steering wheel, which there means it isn't one, it's put up to the side, but now they're going to put it on later. Got the original AM radio center ashtray above it. Man, they don't get much cooler than this. Even looks like it's got a Mexican blanket on it. And there are no power windows in this, there are roll-ups. So, here's Gino. I tell you, this guy, he knows his stuff. He does all the little tedious work. That's a wiring harness over there that he's going to be figuring out and putting in the back of those gauges. The spaghetti is something, that spaghetti dinner I wouldn't want to have, but Gino can get it done. So here we are, and you got cool stuff here. He's got this little workbench here is a real hot rod bench, because check it out. It's got gears you're pulling. 4 forwards and 1 backwards. With a couple old pistons sitting on it, huh? Is this a shop or what? Yep, you got it. There's DWS Classics here in Huntington Beach, Yorktown and Beach. Come check them out. Dano Live on Dano Vision. We are out.